Okay, you should read lesson 97, but we're skipping the documents. At least they are not assigned. So the next document is Report 98-69, a summons, on page 379. Now, it is especially important to follow the blue instructions for the tabs in front of the parentheses in the middle of the page. They need to be aligned just as shown, and we want to set all tabs for the entire document before we begin. So we're going to move right to step 4, and in this document, clear all tabs. So go to the paragraph dialog box launcher and tabs, clear all, and then we will be setting a 1-inch left tab, a 3.25-inch left tab, and a 6.5-inch right tab. Okay, notice they should appear on your ruler just as last time. Then we're going to add line numbering. We go to the page layout tab, and under line numbers, click restart each page. Now, I think we will turn show hide off this time actually, because there are enough confusing marks on the page that we don't want to increase that at all. We're going to be following the instructions in the book. Once again, I will remind you, however, that you should let word wrap do its work where the paragraphs are concerned, and don't worry that they break differently than in the textbook. Okay, we're ready to start, and so we're going to turn caps lock on for the first line and type State of Kansas. Then we use the tab twice to move over to the right margin and type in District Court. Enter twice. Type County of Douglas, tab twice, and type Northeast Judicial District. Enter twice. People's Bank. Then we tab once to 3.25 inch and type in the parentheses. This is what we might call a close parentheses. Then tab one more time and type NO period space and then 20 underscores. So use the shift with the key next to 0 and type 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15, 16, 17, 18, 19, 20. Press enter once. Take off caps lock. Tab, another close parentheses, and then you hit enter at this point. Type Lawrence, Kansas 660442243, tab, parentheses, enter. On line 8, you're going to tab twice, put in a close parentheses, and enter. So this line is basically blank also. Then on line 9, tab one time to the 1-inch tab and type plaintiff, comma, tab, close parentheses, enter. This line is going to be like line 8, so tab twice and hit close parentheses. Enter once, use the 1-inch tab to type VS period for versus. Tab again, close parentheses. And this time you're going to then tab one more time to the right margin, put caps lock on, and type summons. On line 12, tab twice, close parentheses, hit enter. Then we're going to type the name of the defendants, line 15. What they left out is the close parentheses, so let's put that in and leave the blank line, basically blank line. Hit enter once, and on 16, tab, turn off caps lock, defendants, period, tab, and close parentheses. Hit enter twice, turn on caps lock, and type line 18. Enter twice. Tab once, and type that paragraph. Okay, I've typed the 2 paragraphs through my line 26, and now I hit enter twice, tab once, turn on caps lock for signed, turn it off, this space, 5 underscores, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, day of December 2010, enter twice, tab twice to the 3.25 inch tab, and apply underscores to the right margin. Remember, you can go over once, then backspace, enter, tab twice to type the attorney information. After Ann Barfield, tab to the right tab and type attorney at law. Enter, tab twice, enter, tab twice, enter, tab twice, enter, tab twice, and we are finished. Yours should end up with 35 lines instead of 36s in the textbook. The lines will not break exactly where they do in your textbook in the paragraphs. Okay? Look it over to proofread. It's very important that you correct all typographical errors. Then we turn to GDP, save, score, review, and correct all of your errors to 0. GDP is going to count that close parentheses that I told you to insert on line 15 as incorrect. I believe if you deleted the entire line that GDP would give you 0 errors, but you can make whatever adjustments necessary. I will not count off for this one error.